So next we discussing the topic is mixed grouping of cells. So before what is say that the cells are connected in series, the cells are connected in parallel. After that we discussing of the mixed grouping means here the cells are connected in series and parallel. That is called the mixed grouping. See here the n number of cells, n cells are connected in this is the series combination and m cells are connected in a parallel combination. This is the mixed. The series and parallel is connected by there. The how many rows are there here? The m rows are in parallel, n rows are in series combination is there. Then we can add the n identical cells. N identical cells are n identical cells are connected in series. N identical cells are connected in series in one row. In one row means this row is connected by a series. M rows such m rows such m rows are connected are connected are connected in parallel in parallel. What is that? The n identical cells are connected in series. M identical or m rows are connected in a parallel. Therefore, total number of rows. Total number of rows. Here, how many rows are? Two rows. One is the n rows, another is the m rows. We can write the n into m. What we can write here? The n into m. Therefore, effective EMF in this combination see this is in this combination the effective EMF is equal to what we can write here the formula n into E, the number of cells into the each cells of the EMF. Then therefore effective internal resistance of internal resistance of effective resistance internal resistance of effective resistance. This right here the R effect. What's this? R effect. See here the how many rows are there in series? N. That's n into small r by the how many rows in parallel is there? M. That is the n into r by m. N into r by m. Therefore, the current in a circuit, current is equal to what is the formula is there? Total EMF by total resistance. Now we are writing the total EMF. So what is the total EMF is there? N into E by total resistance. The total resistance is nothing but the external resistance and the effective of internal resistance. That external resistance how much is capital R and effective internal resistance small n into small r by m. This is the current in a circuit when it is a mixed group. What is a mixed grouping? Then now we can find out the condition for maximum current. Now what is the next we discussing about this one of the continuation. Condition for maximum current. Condition for maximum current in mixed grouping. In mixed grouping cells, what we can find is the maximum current we can find out. See, if external resistance, what is say here? If external resistance capital R is equal to is equal to internal resistance. The where we call it is the internal resistance. అంటే ఇక్కడ దేనికి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలన్నా మనం ఎక్స్టర్నల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ అనేది దేనికి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి మనం ఇంటర్నల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ కి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి దెన్ the current then the current becomes maximum. See, this is the condition for the maximum. See, we know the formula. Therefore, the I is equal to what we can write here, the I maximum. I is equal to what we can write, the I maximum. See here the formula is there. From according to the other the mixed grouping of the current, I is equal to how much is there here, the N into E by capital R plus N into small r by M. Now here we can write, see this is the what is the I is equal to I maximum. I is equal to I maximum and condition what is there here, the external resistance is equal to the effect of the internal resistance N R by M. Then we can have the I maximum. I maximum is equal to N into E by R plus R. See the R plus R is equal to how much is there, the 2R. Then we can write here the N into E by 2 into R. See this is the maximum current in a mixed group. Now here the condition also there, if small capital R is the effective resistance NR by M is greater than of capital R. See there is the maximum current is the greater than or nothing but we can write here the also we know the formula for the what is the R is equal to N into R by M. Then we can substitute here the I maximum is equal to N into E by 2 into R is equal to how much is it, N into R by M. Here N gets cancelled. Then we can write here the I maximum is equal to the denominator of the denominator, take the numerator, that is M into E by 2 into R. See this is the formula also, the maximum current. What is this? Maximum current. This is also formula of a maximum current. See this is the series combination, it is the parallel combination. So how do we say the series? Here N, the N cells are connected in a series, that's why I say the series combination. The M rows are connected in a parallel, that is the in parallel. In the maximum current in parallel combination, the maximum current in series combination in a mixed group cells of a formulas.